Hello, good day to you. I quickly want to show you how to edit category on your WordPress site. If you are a website designer using WordPress, or you are a blogger using WordPress, you have a blog column on your site, and you have different category just like this blog here. So, and you want to delete maybe one or two categories out of all the categories that you have on your site, or maybe you want to delete or edit any one of them. So we quickly want to show you how to do that. Maybe you want to delete the uncategorized category that came along with the WordPress. So we quickly want to guide you how to do that. All you need to do is to log into the back office of your site. So then head on to dashboard. Let's go to dashboard. So once you go to your dashboard, let's wait for it. It's loading. You just navigate straight to where to do that right now. Okay, here we are. Go to post, click on post. Here you can see post, click on it. Okay, you can see categories, so click on it. So that's where we are going. Right, click on categories. That's where we are going. So good. Now if you want to create new one, you can easily create. Just enter the name and you have it like that in a simple step like that. So just let's say we want to add another one, online online. Let's say we want to put online like that. Possibly you want to put it under one's category, parent category. You can just select any of them, but this time around we are not doing that. So, and we don't want to give any description. Just click on add new category. So immediately it is done. It is done like that. So if you look at it, we have it here. So how do we now delete it? How do we delete? You can see here are all the categories that we have here. So we want to delete this one now, uncategorized. It normally comes along with WordPress installation. So this time around, so we are deleting this one now. So just go straight and click on delete. If you want to delete so many of them at the same time, you can select like this, or you can select just like that, then come to bulk action. You see delete, you can delete them together like that, but we are not doing that. So I only want to delete one. You can select it like this and delete from here, or just come here and click delete and select delete and apply. So let's use that method. So it's deleting. Good. You see it says category deleted. So category deleted. If you go down now, you see that there's no more uncategorized there again. So maybe you want to edit any of them also. You can just click on quick edit or edit. Any of them will go. So if you click on quick edit, that one is good to go. So but we are not editing this one. Let's go for this one, quick edit. So this online now, we want to put capital O, capital O, So, and then click update. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do that right now. So subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much for doing that. We bless you for coming to this site. We are glad to have you. See you in our next video. Bye for now.